Hello again. For today's video, gusto ko lang ipakita yung aking ibang way to sow seeds. So for this time, medyo magre-recycle muna tayo. We'll be doing some recycling. So the pots that we will be using to plant our seeds whatever. So we will be using the egg box, reusing egg box. Ayan. We have so much of this talaga. So ayan siya. 1, 2 for 10 egg tray pala to. So ito yung gagamitin natin. So what we do here is ikakat lang natin siya. Ito, separate lang natin siya. Just separate this. Just cut it. And there's this thing. So after you cut it into half, magiging ganito na siya. Ayan. That's enough na for yung mga seedlings or yung yung ipapatubo natin ng mga tanim na don't need to really stay longer. Like we just need to germinate them and let them grow for a bit and then transfer na natin sa garden. So this is enough. So that's enough for them to grow on this one. So yan siya. So from this and hirap naman to this. Diba, recycling. Kasi meron kami dito, egg boxes. Ang dami-dami. Or egg trays. Ang dami talaga. So, I didn't want to throw them yet. To the, to some collection garbage for papers. So, I will try to recycle them. I did this already last year and I mean, they were fine. They were fine. They did germinate, they did sprout, they did grow. So mostly ang nilagay ko dito is even the snow peas. Dito ko pinatubo yung snow peas, tsaka beetroots, and even carrots. Dito ko siya pinatubo last year. So carrots and lettuces of course, kasi ginagawa ko to kasi sa garden talaga right now is andoon na yung mga slugs. So they're starting to eat na the new seedlings, and I don't have that much of this net. My homemade parang net siya to protect the plants, so hindi nakakapasok yung slugs. That's why I need to start growing really on this. So yeah, not straight to the garden. Anyway, so I'll just wanna show you how it looks like then. Right. So, ayan sila. Ilagyan ko na ng lupa, tsaka may mga buto na din dyan. Tapos nilagay ko lang siya sa isang box, parang tray pala. So, yeah, we'll see. Meron na ditong mga lettuces kasi yung seeds na tinanim ko sa garden ng mga lettuce, hindi sila nag-sprout talaga. So, yung nag-sprout lang is yung beetroots at tsaka radish. First time I will be planting pala radish this time. So they are there and I just need to transplant them. So that's how it looks like. So abangan nyo po kung magiging successful din ba itong ating egg tray. Ang tawag ba? Egg tray planting? Egg tray seedling? Whatever, mag-comment na lang kayo dyan sa baba kung ano ang dapat itawag niyan. Right, so see you next time for the update. Ciao, thank you. Heto naman ang update sa ating egg tray or egg boxes. Ang tawag nito, seedling pots. So far, ayan, okay naman sila din. Meron na ako dito. Yung unang sumibol is yung mga lettuces. Ayan. lettuces yan. Lettuce. Yan. Tapos dito is dito hindi nilagay ko, ninumpisahan ko dito, tinry kong umpisahan dito yung sunflower seeds. Kasi sa garden hindi siya sumibol. Tapos ito ay cucumber. Yan, I think ito ay cucumber. Yan, cucumber yan. Tapos ito ay sunflower seeds. Yan siya. Nasa ulo pa niya yung shell. Tapos dito ay wala pang kababalaghan na nangyayari dito sa tray na to. Kasi I think may ampalaya seeds dyan. Tapos mani din ata, nakalimutan ko na. Wala dito yung aking listahan. Tapos dito is may sitaw din. Ayan mo, possible na sila. May sitaw yan as far as I remember. Ayan, sitaw. Tapos ito ay ano ba to? I think mga radish. Tapos dito ay beetroots. Ayan, meron na yung pula. Beetroots yan. Tapos yung carrots dito. Tapos dito naman ay ayan, naunahan pa yung ito yung yung sitaw. Ayan, sitaw yan. Sitaw. Tapos dito ay mani. Ayan, mani yan. Yung aking mani is parang nagrarat siya kaya ko siya, hinukay ko sila ng kaunti. Dito ay basil, I think. Mga basil yan. Tapos, ito ay mga bulaklak. Bulaklak to dito. Lavender seeds, tsaka ano ba yung isa? Kalimutan ko. So, yeah. So far, so good yung ating mga seedlings. Yung iba, hindi pa talaga sila sumibol. But, yeah. I'm happy na. Dito din may may sitaw. Mga bago to kasi yung unang batch na tinanim ko na buto ng sitaw, nag-rot siya. Itong ating okra, dyan pa din. Anyways, yeah. Focus pala tayo dito sa ating egg tray seedling container or seedling pot. So, ayan, kita nyo guys. Okay naman sila, diba? Yan, tatlo yan silang